Hello my friends and welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna see how to make sayadee or rice with fish. It's a very delicious meal. But before we start, if this is your first time here, please subscribe. Thank you for watching and let's cooking. First, let's start with our ingredients. First, I have here fish fillet. It's around 700 grams. 2 cups of rice. I'm gonna rinse it and leave it in soak for around 30 minutes. 4 onions cut into wedges. A little bit of bell peppers, different colors. 2 big spoons of starch. 1 cup and a half of white flour. 5 or 6 grain of cardamom. 1 cinnamon stick. 3 or 4 bay leaves. 2 dry lemon. Some salt, vegetable oil, 1 lemon juice, and some raw almonds to decorate our dish. And now let's see our spices that we're gonna use in this meal. Small spoon of cumin, small spoon of turmeric, half small spoon of black pepper, small spoon of coriander, half small spoon of cinnamon in powder, small spoon and a half of fish spices, half spoon of cloves. Mix all together and divide them to 3 parts. And now let's start prepare our sayadee. On a frying pan over a medium-high heat, put some vegetable oils, then fry the almonds and the onion we have. Keep fry the onion until it's brown, then take it out and leave it aside. On the flour that we have, we're gonna add 1 part of our seasoning, mixed seasoning that we made before, and the 2 spoons of starch. Mix all together. Then add 1 spoon of salt over it. As you see, I have here some small pieces of fish fillet. I'm gonna make the soup from it. And the big ones, we're gonna season it. First add the lemon juice over it. Then add the second part of our mixed spices. On a pot over the stove, put some vegetable oil, leave it for 2 minutes, then fry the small pieces of fish fillet. During that, add one part or half of the third part we left from our mixed spices. Leave it for a little bit. Then add the bell pepper. Add the dry lemon over it and mix it all together. After 10 minutes, add 1 liter of water, half of the fried onion that we have, the cinnamon stick, the cardamom, and the bay leaf. Mix all together, then cover the pot and leave it cooking. When it starts boiling, add the rest of the mixed spices that we have, 1 spoon of salt, mix them together, then turn the heat down a little bit, cover the pot and leave it cooking for around 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, strain the water on a bowl. Take the dry lemon, the cinnamon stick, and the bay leaf and the cardamom of the mixture. Add everything on a blender. Put some of the hot water over it and blend it all together. After you blend everything, strain it again. And now let's fry our fish fillet. Put the fillet on the flour that we made before. Cover it well. And in a hot vegetable oil over the stove, fried the fillet. After frying our fish fillet on a pot over the stove, put the rice that we left it in soak for 30 minutes. Then add over it the mixture that we blended before and leave it cooking like any other rice. Finally, this is our dish for today, sayadee, or fish with rice. Put the almonds that we fried before over it and some cut pieces of lemon around it and a plate of tahini salad. If you don't know how to make tahini salad, I'm gonna leave you the link down below. This is all for today, my friends. Thank you for watching and God bless you.